So if those weren't demonstrations of mystical powers, how were they possible? The truth is that they're all applications of science, and Kat will explain exactly what's going on.
Each of those clips was a demonstration of how force can be focused and how it can dissipate through an object. There are many clips like this on the internet where people break genuine bricks on their body. When the brick is broken on the martial artist's head, the force spreads along the brick and very little goes down through his body. His friend swinging the hammer has learnt not to follow through and stops dead as soon as the brick is hit. If he had followed through, he could have killed him. The exact same thing happens with the slabs. The majority of the force dissipates along the slabs, leaving Steve unharmed. The bricks and the slabs are actually quite brittle. They're not designed to withstand focused pressure. If force is focused on a single point on a brittle object, it has a devastating effect. The other factor which allows the bricks to break without Steve being hurt is that the human body has a large number of built-in shock-absorbing areas. These help absorb the force that does travel through Steve's body. However, none of this seems to explain the clip in which only the middle brick of 3 breaks. The truth is, we used a little scientific trickery. Instead of allowing the force of the punch to dissipate, we actually focused the energy on a single point. Unlike the top and bottom brick, which were made from concrete, the middle brick is actually made from plaster of Paris and is made weaker by cutting a gap into the back of the brick. Weakening the brick like this turns it into a brittle object. As the bricks were being stacked, a wedge was secretly added above the point where the brick had been made weaker. If force is focused on this point, the brick will break easily. With a little martial arts sleight of hand and careful camera angles, you don't see the wedge. Although they may look superhuman or paranormal, they are all demonstrations of force, structure and trickery based upon scientific principles.
Remember, there are 6 more hoax videos, and you can find out the secret science behind them all at scienceofscams.com. And always remember that when you see something inexplicable, that extraordinary things require extraordinary evidence.